Hello, this is Alan Sableski. I'm the Director of Operations for Shields Environmental. The video you're about to see is an overview of our logistics services and our recycling services.
The process begins when customer-owned equipment is scheduled for delivery to one of our facilities. Shields personnel create a purchase order with a unique batch ID that will be used to trace material as it is processed. When the equipment arrives at the dock, warehouse employees begin the process of receiving by recording the OEM part number, CLI, manufacturer serial number, and when requested, the customer's asset tag number. Customer identifying asset tags are removed for anonymity purposes. Individual circuit cards are then placed in ESD protective packaging and a label is affixed to each box. If the items are part of Shields' third-party logistics inventory management program, they are routed right to the warehouse for storage awaiting field requests for that equipment. Items that have been received as part of an asset recovery agreement or repair and return program are stored on a rolling rack awaiting dispositioning via two methods. Pre-programmed filtering. Example, this part number is not acceptable in our network, so it is routed to asset recovery. Method recovery number 2, individual attention to fair market exchange value compared to repair cost and customer usage information. Items dispositioned as returned to the field are routed to the test lab for functional testing. The system records the test result, the technician name, the test procedure, and the date of testing for each serial number that passes through the test lab. Items that pass are then routed back to the shipping department for packaging and returned to the customer. Items that fail test are either sent to repair or exchange, based on the real-time most economical solution for the customer. Items which are found to be uneconomical to exchange are sent to the recycle department for responsible recycling. When the material for recycling arrives at the dock, warehouse employees receive the equipment and weigh each pallet, chassis, or cabinet. A picture is taken of each weighted item and the gross weight is recorded in our inventory management system. The pictures are linked to the purchase order and stored in the system. Personnel then begin the sorting and dismantling process. Traceability is a key factor in our process. Each item that contains a serial number is recorded into the system and is then graded and placed in the appropriate commodity bin. Through experience and on-the-job training, Shields personnel are able to review material and grade it according to its composition. Components, faceplates, heat sinks, shrouding, and other materials affect the quality or grade of the items, and it is important to keep them separate to maximize recycling values. When computers or other items containing hard drives are received, in addition to the main item's serial number, Shields personnel also record the serial number and part number of each hard drive and securely store them until they can be degaussed and destroyed to prevent accidental release of data. Hazardous and universal waste is separated and stored according to local, state, and federal regulations. Once everything has been dismantled, sorted, and placed in the appropriate bins, personnel weigh each bin and record the weight per commodity in the system. When a bin reaches capacity, a label is printed and affixed to the bin, and it is stored awaiting shipment to the downstream recycling processor.
Shields' innovative processes and systems provide for complete traceability and transparency for our customers' material. All material, whether sent in for asset recovery, for repair and return, for third-party logistics, or for recycling is tracked through the entire process. Customers have the option of viewing detailed monthly reports of their equipment, or they can view it in real time via our wired web portal. Regardless of where a customer's material is managed and processed, our software provides them the opportunity to view the information in real time anywhere in the world.